Emukoreji ekurirwa hitenekero rya Uganda Wildlife Research and Training Institute erukushanga markatwe kabatoro town council wa mu district ya Kasese. Aha mukoro gwo kujaguza kiro cha research ekibarukweta annual research symposium. Martin Mugara uri state minister w'uburambuzi ayihanangiriza abanya-Uganda ngo bejumbira mukora za research na munonge zigenderere kumara himiliyane twireho ahagati y'enyamishwa hamwe n'abantu abari n'amarindiro g'enyamishwa.
Grow this knowledge so that we can apply it and resolve a number of issues. Interestingly, particularly in this region, if you look at what they are mainly looking at human-wildlife conflict, but also at invasive species that are a big problem in Queen Elizabeth National Park. And you can see that they are trying to do research to find solutions that can resolve this issue once and for all, so that the animals, like the ones that are hunters, like the lions, can have enough space to do hunting and the rest like it is today.
Minister Mugara nayongeragira ngo district ya Kasese nyuma ho yatahirirwa bahekera ngo byo burambuzi tebutegana siwe.
I want to thank government and the security agencies for having come in and for having deployed now to avert any other occurrence like what happened. But our condolences to the family, and we want to assure all the people out there that the government is in charge. This was an incident at the border. It is not across the country, and I believe tourists are moving freely.
Robert Baruku or principal w'itendekero rya Uganda Wildlife Research and Training Institute nagira ngo government ekiro kurebuka ngo yabongera sente ekirije kuba basokora jimirimo yabo.
We really need more funding to see that our master plan is really covered.
We are humans, and our psyche, our understanding is far higher than the wildlife. So we have to live on the side of looking at our life as being so dear, such that we don't find ourselves antagonizing with the
abeji bano bagira ngo baganyirwa munongo mu mushomogu
kandi gutiyambira mu nitwe nkabeji kwega ebintu bikwata akulinda ebisoro then no kuyamba okusolovinga ebizibwe kaito abakulinda ebisoro ebitutangatangana.
Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.